learn to clap. 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 Yeah, like that. One clap, two claps, three claps, four. Hey, this is fun. Let's count some more. 5 claps, 6 claps, 7 and 8. Don't you think that counting's great? Next is 9, then comes 10. Let's clap and count again. Hi there. We've got eyes to see, ears to hear, a mouth to blow a kiss, hands to clap, feet to dance, hips to wiggle, like this. I love you. Let's play. Sing up high, sing down low, stand real still. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oopsie.
Ayan naman, dyan, iti-ichay yan.
Let's stretch.